Lamdam asida hojik chatnariba system asina yelhomi singi marakta tokhai tahanbani haina UNLF ke chairman oiramba RK Meghen fongdokre Imphal da leiba Hotel Siroi Hall da pangthokiba Indigenous Peoples Forum Manipur IPFM gi kumja English singani kunmapan fawbagi thaupugadaba thomi sing wasakloba amadi the current situation in Manipur and the Central Security Forces AR the Sentinels of the Cookies Kauba News Bulletin Fong bagi thoram da wafam asi fongdokibane Thoramadu Imagi Mairagi President Sujata Thokchom, IPFM gi Chief Advisor Asang Kasar, Ichom gi President Oirambayan Rajendro, IPFM gi Anoba President Chinau Chung Makansu Sarukyaki, Thoramadu IPFM gi President Thaupugadaba, Chinau Chung Vice President IK Joyson Balang, General Secretary Ramthahung Niume, Finance Secretary Nganomi Kasar Yauna Thomi Taratarukama, the executive member Nipan was a cloke, Thoramadu the Meghen Makataraduna, Lamdamasi the Kunda Minariba Mio Kudingmak, Lanai Oinade, Nungsinatinai, Taubatabu, Furuki Oina Hek, Kanarakpa Matam Dana, Tinabayade, Tawong Asina, Manipur Kaktanatana, Northeast the Kundariba Yelhomi, Pumba. Kongul Muthat Nabagi Machak Oiri, Yelhomi Singh Muthat Nabahotnari Haibasi, political leaders Singh na Kangdana Lakpadagi, Yelhomi Singh Bo, Maramdam the refugee oina lehele haike, Thoramadu da IPFM gi Chief Advisor Asang Kasarna, Laingakpa Singh na Senjatum Jagi Tabak Thauram, Hena Chathabana Furup Amana Amada Warong Nahale, Maramasina Forum Asina, Senjatum Jagi Mayokta, Kolau Lauduna Lakpagi Matakta Indigenous Peoples Ekama Thambina Ba, Taksinduna Lakle, Lamdamasigi, Yelhomi Singh na Amata Oina Punsinduna Tabak Taudrabade, Chaukat Pangamloy Haina Fongdoki.
Ladiva Matamatam Ladiva governments, both the government of India and Manipur state government, and Magna. Masigi, Malam Masista, Yamna Lumna Lodaba, Adana Maramaraga, echoing a CD, I Ilamdamda, echoing Park says, we are becoming refugees. Minorities we write see here some Chatharaba other way Noma agree them says that we say Mito Boyini I was say Masiva Yam Sing comes again.